Honda is bringing its A-game. The all-new Passport SUV is here, the redesigned CR-V has been announced, and the Pilot is gearing up for a mid-cycle refresh. While the exterior and interior updates might not knock your socks off, the real action is happening under the hood. The upcoming hybrid configuration is set to blow the competition out of the water. If you want to find out all the details about the upcoming update, stick with us until the end of the video as we break down every key upgrade on the 2026 Honda Pilot. Hybrid powertrain. A long-standing weak point for the Honda Pilot is a thirsty engine. While the V6 has been praised for its reliability and durability, it's never been the most efficient option. In a world where rivals like the Toyota Highlander have gained a competitive edge by sacrificing some power to reach impressive fuel economy numbers of 35 miles per gallon, Honda knew it had to catch up. Well, the 2026 Pilot finally delivers on that front with a game-changing hybrid powertrain. The new EHEV setup is a significant leap forward, combining a 2-liter petrol engine with electric motors for a combined output of 325 ponies. Expect also around 315 pound-feet of torque, ensuring that the Pilot remains as capable as ever. The hybrid SUV will feature an eCVT gearbox and come standard with all-wheel drive. Estimated gas mileage is beyond 30 miles per gallon combined, which is a major step up from its gas-only predecessors. The V6 powertrain in the 2026 Honda Pilot remains one of the key elements that define the SUV's capable and reliable character. The 3.5-liter engine produces 285 horsepower after the latest revision, and 262 pound-feet of torque. With the right equipment, the Pilot can tow up to 5,000 pounds. As said, the fuel economy isn't necessarily class-leading with 20 and 27 miles per gallon. A new 10-speed automatic transmission couldn't make these numbers more competitive. Styling tweaks. The 2026 Honda Pilot is getting a cosmetic refresh, but don't expect a complete overhaul. Honda's mid-cycle updates are generally on the subtle side, focusing more on fine-tuning rather than reinventing. This refresh won't be a radical departure from the current design, but rather a series of minor tweaks aimed at improving assembly, meeting new regulatory standards, and enhancing cost efficiency. Major changes are going to be a new bumper and updated lighting, both front and rear. These tweaks will help refresh the Pilot's appearance, but they won't drastically alter its silhouette. Honda's approach has always been about refinement rather than revolution. This update will follow that same trend. If you've seen past Honda mid-cycle updates, you'll know that the changes are typically functional and understated, and the 2026 Pilot will be no different. Another notable update could be a new trim, for example an HPD Trail Sport. This one would bring a more rugged, off-road-oriented option for those who need a bit more adventure in their family SUV. Speaking of the Trail Sport grade, it could introduce a couple of fresh paint jobs. Inside the cockpit, Honda is stepping up the tech game with the larger infotainment screen. Lower-end versions will feature a 10-inch display, while higher-end trims could get a 12-incher, taking inspiration from the Passport. A more immersive and user-friendly interface also enhances the overall modern feel of the 2026 Pilot's cabin. More trims will get a full digital dashboard, replacing traditional analog dials with customizable digital displays that give the interior a more futuristic, high-tech vibe. When it will be available. The 2026 Honda Pilot is set to make its highly anticipated debut this fall, following the release of other best-selling models from the brand. This updated SUV will bring a fresh new look and the introduction of a hybrid engine, offering both improved performance and greater efficiency. This refresh won't come with any drastic changes in price. The base Sport model, which starts just above $40,000, will maintain its value, while the new hybrid variant will likely push the price beyond $45,000, reflecting the enhanced performance and efficiency it brings to the table. Shortly after the Pilot's release, truck lovers can also look forward to the arrival of the refreshed Honda Ridgeline, which will further solidify Honda's presence in the competitive SUV and truck markets. Catch our first look at the new pickup, links waiting in the comments. That's a wrap for now, but we've got more fast drops, deep dives, and all new rides coming up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.